Hello everybody, it's Eric Sodi here with Vantage IT QuickTip. In this session I'm going to show you a couple of things. The first is how to add Internet Explorer to your start menu and to your taskbar. And the second is how to make it the default browser when you click on a link in a document or an email. The reason you might want to do this is that Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser that gets installed with Windows 10, doesn't currently support plugins. If you visit a lot of sites that require plugins, this could become quite a nuisance. So let's get started. Let's click on the Start menu. Don't click on anything in the Start menu once it appears, but just start typing Internet Explorer. Eventually, Internet Explorer will appear probably at the top of the list. If it doesn't, it will appear somewhere in the list. Right-click on it and select Pin to Start. It'll now be pinned to the start. You'll notice that the search results will stay where they are. Right-click on it again and then pin it to the taskbar. Now, you probably won't see this happen on my taskbar because I have a lot of items, but once I click on this, it's going to appear on my taskbar about 2/3 of the way to the right. So now we've got Internet Explorer pinned to both the Start menu and the taskbar. This means that we can actually launch it directly without having to go searching for it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to make it the default browser when you click on a link in a document or an email. The way to do this is, again, go to the Start menu, and 3 items up is something called Settings. Click on Settings, and when the Settings window opens, click in the upper left icon for System, Display, Notification, Apps, and Power. In the left pane of the window that opens up there, at the very bottom, or second from the bottom, is Default Apps. Click on Default Apps, and in the right pane, scroll down until you see Web Browser. Click on Web Browser, and then click on Internet Explorer to select it. Now, if you have other browsers on your system that you would rather have as the default browser, you can select any of those as well. In my case, I'm clicking on Internet Explorer. So now what will happen is anytime I click on a link in an email or a document, that link will now automatically open in Internet Explorer instead of Microsoft Edge. And if I want to open Internet Explorer directly either from the taskbar or from the Start menu, in this case it appears in the bottom, but you can move it around anywhere, I can launch it from there. That concludes this quick tip. If you have any questions or need more information or any suggestions for other quick tips, give us a shout. Drop us an email at info@vantageit.ca. Thank you.